Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with you with another video, how to fix your Fiat 500. Now, this is for the regular gas Fiat 500 or the Fiat 500e. My passenger headlight lamp is out, and I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. It's the same process for both the left or right. This is the new bulb I will be putting in. I will have this linked in the description box below. The item number is 9012, and this is by the company Sylvania, I believe you pronounce it. Don't quote me on that one. There is the amperage right there of the bulb. Let's show you how to fix this. Okay, it's a little dark inside the car here, but down here, bottom left, you're gonna have your little pull latch, and that is gonna be the pull latch. It just flips up, middle finger, bring it up, and that is for the front latch of your Fiat 500e or Fiat 500 as well. Okay, once it's popped, there's a little lever here. It goes over to left to right. That will raise it up, and your stick is going to be right here in the corner. Slip it in the little slot right there, and it will stay up, of course. Now what we're going to do here is, again, this is the light here. It's the same on both sides. There's a little gap here on the driver's side. That's where you would reach down. But again, we'll be focusing on the passenger side, but it is the same thing. As we can see here, there's like a little plastic cap, and that is the back of the headlight here. And it's going to take a little bit smaller of a hand, especially on the passenger side, because you do have the washer fluid and stuff like that. And then the back of the cap does come off. It's a quarter turn towards the driver's steering wheel. Again, if you ever get turned around, face the car direction, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If you're looking at the car, it would be the opposite direction. And it's just a quarter turn right there. Cap comes off. It's a little tough in this area here. Be careful about that. I thought I could actually pull out the headlight. You don't have to remove that screw. I did. You don't have to. I was seeing if that whole headlight would pull out, but I was able to jimmy it and remove the back cap. Now inside, there is going to be our light bulb right there. You see that back little gray clip. You want to go ahead and declip that. That should turn. Smaller the hands, the better. But again, you're going to do a quarter turn. I just turned it over here to the right, and then that should go ahead and unlock it from the harness. Okay, same as the cap, it's a quarter turn to, if you're looking at it from above like this. Then you have the harness here. It's just a simple clip like that. Go ahead and lift up that tab and it slips right out. And then you go ahead and remove the old bulb here. Now when you put it back in, again, you're gonna put it back in the same way. You're gonna insert it like this, quarter turn it over to the left-hand side, and that will lock it into place. Try not to touch the bulb of the new one with your fingers if they are oily or dirty. Go ahead and touch only the base of it here. We're going to go ahead and insert that like I showed you, flip it over to the left, then click in the harness, then click back in, quarter turn this as well, tighten that back up. You can do it, it takes a little bit of work with your hands to get in there. The driver's side is much, much easier. You have a lot more room to work with. And that's it, folks. Now you are back up and running with both lights working, and save yourself the trouble of potentially getting pulled over with only one headlight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, something to keep in mind as well. Mine actually look absolutely fantastic. They look the same brightness. You are supposed to do them in pairs, like you're not supposed to just replace one because then one might be brighter, one might be dimmer. You're supposed to do two at a time. But this is a 2013 5-year-old car. As currently filming this, it's a 5-year-old car, and those blend in perfectly. So I wouldn't order two unless you really wanted to. Everything was looking great. Just make sure you have everything put back together. Shut the hood back on, and you are all ready to go. Now remember, the links are in the description box below for that exact same light, so you can replace it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next videos.